Fleur de sel, the priciest salt used by top chefs. Make it at home for next to nothing. In a pan, add 1 part coarse salt, I used a cup, and 4 parts water. Here I used 4 cups. Let it sit until the salt starts to dissolve. When it looks like this, transfer it to a container. After dissolving, pour it into a container. Now we'll add the salt and milk. Let's add the milk and salt. 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 And enjoy! Check out how amazing this fleur de sel looks. Super quick, easy, and fantastic for your cooking. Remember, this salt costs 300 reais per kilo in stores. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Another budget-friendly recipe from our kitchen. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.